Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide time and date on the taskbar. So this is a Windows 11 tutorial for beginner, and if you feel you don't need this time and date show on your tray or taskbar, you can hide it. You can remove completely. You can go to the settings. Now you can click on time and language. Here you can set up your time and language, for example like time zone, region. Now I'm at Indonesia, and date and time, language, typing, and so on. So in order to hide this, you can click on time zone, and here we go. The third option is show time and date in the system tray. Turn this off to hide your time and date information on the taskbar. Let's try. Now the time and date is gone. Or you can check this box to show second in system tray clock, but use more power. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.